Hello and welcome to the Crafter's Toolbox. This time we're going to be looking at how we can offset a stencil to create this distressed look with the gold dots. I didn't go all the way across with the gold so that way it would look distressed and a little bit grungy. So I'm going to show it to you in black today so you can see what a different color looks like. So I already have the initial color completed using the Feeling Dotty stencil from altenew. And before I go any further, I'm going to add some anti-static powder. So that way when I put down my Versamark, it doesn't, and I use my embossing powder, it doesn't stick everywhere. So now I can go ahead and realign my stencil. And I'm just going to move it down so that it's hiding all of the dots that I've already stenciled. And I kind of look around to make sure that everything is aligned and that I am truly hiding all of those little dots. And now I can go ahead and add some masking tape, or this is post-it tape, to keep everything in place. All right, so now I'm just going to use my Versamark. This really isn't going to stick very well because it's on a silicone, but I don't really need it to stick super well. I'm just going to hold one end and I'm going to take my Versamark and I'm just going to rub it in here randomly. Nothing exciting, right? I mean, I'm not trying to get it everywhere. I want it to be random. I really don't care what it looks like when it's done. It's going to look really cool. So now I will just go ahead and add in some black embossing and we'll see what our result is. And I'm loving it already. And I'm not even going to try to get even coverage or anything. As a matter of fact, I might even come in and get rid of some of the lines that I think are, too predictable. Even come in here with my finger a little bit and blow off some of that so that way it looks super random. There. So now let's go ahead and heat emboss this and see what we end up with. All right, so there's our finished panel. It's a really cool random design. And I might keep it like this and do another card that looks similar to this one, or I might use this to cut up some fun die cuts. It's a really great starter panel for another great project. I hope you enjoyed learning about this technique, and you don't forget to subscribe to my channel and ring the bell so you don't miss out on any new videos. I hope to see you again sometime soon here at the Crafter's Toolbox, but until next time, happy crafting.